picked my bait out today.
That thing looks good.
I've got to keep it out of the grass.
Yeah. That thing looks good in the water, though. I feel like you're gonna hang that thing before the day's over. No. I just have a feeling he's gonna hang that thing before the day's over. Like, it's not coming out of here.
Why'd you give it to me then?
I just have a feeling. That jerkbait was really cheap too.
How much was it?
$7. Compared to what?
No, that's the one that you got off the bathroom wall, didn't you?
Yeah.
I only paid $3 for it.
$3.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
We have our bathroom decorated in fish, and I had one of those lures in the bathroom, and he had to have it, so.
I said I could definitely catch a fish on that. He's caught a fish.
Denver talked me into trying the jerk bait out, and we've had a little luck here.
I told you it's the juice. So where exactly did you catch him?
In the water.
Like what place in the water? Did that bad luck turn back on you from yesterday?
Got your pliers, bub?
No.
Go get them, will you? We got hooks in him everywhere.
Every time you come here, you got a turtle. Them little turtles, they eat all your fish.
I'm gonna go a little bit out. You're not falling victim to my 10-pound fish. All from the. Today we're gonna be showing you how to tie a knot. Or fishing knot. We're gonna be facing turtles with this knot, so it's gonna be a really good one. And then there's going to be a little bit of slack left on it, and you're wanting to just get that and cut it off. And there you go. That's how you tie a hook. Now let's see if I can go catch a turtle.
Oh, there's his head.
We caught a turtle. This is not really a big turtle.
We're gonna spit it. Hold on, let me help you. Spit it.
Right there at the back. He's back on. He's back on. He's back on. I'm seriously on. This is as fast as I can run. Like 60 pounds. Whew. Big one?
He's hung me up somewhere.
Huh?
He's hung me up somewhere.
You'll have to break it. So sad news. He
No,
come.
maybe not.
He come loose.
He's in that grass, so. He feels like a pretty good fish.
He is.
I don't know, though.
No, I can see him on the thing. That's a big fish. God, that's a big fish.
I don't know if he's that big.
No.
He just
It
feels like he
might-
might have 10-pound of grass on him.
Oh.
I believe he's got 10-pound of grass.
Oh. It's a dink.
Don't know if he's a dink, but he had 10-pound of grass on him. I can tell you that. No, he's a good fish.
I'm taking him. I was attempting to get the hook out.
There he is.
this is a big.
Let's go fish.
This is about, don't know, he's probably 10 pounder. Yeah, he's a 10 pounder. It's a big old fish though, I'll tell you that. No, and I'm showing you really close up. I'm trying to know which far away. He's a good 10 pounder right there. Smalley, you still have it? Here, I'm just gonna come on. Smalley. Mine was smaller than that.
Huh?
Mine was smaller than that.
Was it?
Yeah. Now this is a dink.
Probably not on the bank.
That's how I caught mine. That small one that I caught. Caught him right on the bank with this one. Not exactly where this one is. And he just sniped this one. And you look at him, when I chuck him, yeet. I was reeling my spinnerbait in, and he hooked himself, and he jumped right at the bank, and I think I hooked him even more. And he's another dink. I can about just do it like this on him. He's about like a -3 pounds.
Well, is today's fishing trip better than yesterday's?
What did I catch yesterday?
Nothing. Remember it rained yesterday?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, if you didn't see that, that was a wild episode. Y'all need to go watch that. Come on, guys. Get out there. I think it's a bluegill. Or is it? Is it? Yeah. Bluegill. It'd be perfect cut bait, but
He's a big bluegill.
yeah, we got a big bluegill here. Right at the bank. Right at the bank.
What you got?
Bass. God, he was right at the bank when he smacked that.
What'd you catch that one on?
Spinnerbait. First spinnerbait. Well, this is the first fish I think I've caught on the spinnerbait.
Oh, you got him on the spinner.
Look at it. Okay, so all the views across the world. This is the smallest bass I've ever caught. And I caught him on the way in. I was checking on my pole. And as soon as I got it to the bank, this guy came along and destroyed it. I was bass fishing on my other pole, and then this guy come up. He's about a 10 pounder, almost. Y'all think so, guys? Leave a comment. Like today's video, like and subscribe. We'll probably be posting another video tomorrow.